As you're looking at buying a home, I don't only want you to consider about owning and all that. I want you to consider how much money you're losing by waiting to buy. Every day that you wait to buy a home, you are losing money. Let me show you why. This is a great tool that professional loan advisors like us use. Typical property home in San Diego County, for example, is now 800,000. If you had bought 2 years ago, it would have been about 600,000. So let's take a look at this. So your annual property tax is 5,840. See the monthly home insurance, although I personally think that's a little high. So that's typically what I see. No HOA. Now, include standard tax deduction. This is important because when you factor in the mortgage interest deduction, let's say you're a couple that earns, let's see, you're in something like 22%, a 22% tax bracket, and your filing status, let's say married filing jointly. That's up to $25,000 in mortgage interest that you can deduct from your home. So let's continue. Now, let's say we've got a down payment. Oh, look at that. Down payments as low as 3%. That's just $24,000 today. Let's say we get your rate of 4.75. Yes, it's not the 2% that we had even 6 months ago. Don't stress. Rates are going to drop. That's not the point here. So even let's give it a higher interest rate, 5%, right? No points. Don't believe in mortgage points. And let's say 5,000 in closing costs. Okay. So let's add the loan. Now, let's take a look at the cost of waiting. So you've seen those scary numbers on all that, on the monthly payments and so on. But let me show you what you're losing if you wait. If you wait to buy the same $800,000 home, in 6 months, it's going to go up 5%, almost 50,000. Within 1 year, that same exact home is going to be worth 875,000. So not only is the home price becoming out of reach for you, the down payment is so much higher, from 24,000 up to 26,000, and your interest rate will go up over the next year. Having said that, in about 18 months, rates are going to drop again. But in the meantime, you are losing money. Okay, so by waiting, your payment difference is $369 per month just for waiting 6 months. And your property is appreciating over that time. So you just lost, by waiting 6 months, you lost $41,000 in potential asset growth. So, I mean, don't you wish you had invested in Amazon or cryptocurrency back in the day? Same thing is going to happen here. At some point, you've got to plant a tree. And while you're sitting on the sidelines, you're paying higher and higher rents that are not tax deductible and that are going to pay someone else's mortgage. And while you wait, your opportunity costs go up and up. So don't just consider the monthly payment and all that. Consider what you are losing out on. Let's buy now, freeze your purchase price, and then we'll go refinance to a lower rate when rates drop again. You get the best of both worlds. Let's talk.